enhance recovery details to old black and white, blurry memories to 4K high quality, with Topaz AI Mosaic photo enhancers. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. Hope you're doing great, fantastic as always. New to my channel, subscribe to support. Here we have the app.topazlabs.com. Mosaic is the new app from the Topaz for the old photo enhancements. Basically, it's available on the web as well as on the Apple App Store for iPhone users. Once you sign in or sign up, you will get 10 free enhancements for the images when video recorded. Video credits over once image uploaded after sign in or sign up. Click on image. This will take some time for processing and show you 3 different variants. First one is natural, second is the restored, third one is the recolored. We have some settings available. Once you click on it, you have the brilliance, crop, the brush tool, as well as skin tone or color tone of the image you can choose. It's like the iPhone camera app like interface here. I'm going to show you by slider. So here is the another version, which is the colored version plus upscaled. Here is the Adel Lamar, inventor of the Wi-Fi. Mosaic really impressive when it comes to restore your old photos. I have seen some other creators show you really long videos. There is no value at all, I think so. This is much better solution, I think so. You can see here. And if you know something better than the Mosaic, let me know in the comments. So right now you can see here, you have to just hold on any version of your image to download on mobile. If you are on desktop, you have to click on image. The download button appear at the bottom. Click on it to download your image. Really quick, no buzz, free of cost as for now. 10 images when video recorded. Check out these photos I enhanced, restored using Mosaic. Check and let me know what you think about it. This is the video for today. I hope you really like it. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you soon with the new video.